if you are looking to make more money, if you're looking to actually begin to make money in your life, then, like I always say, this is the best time that you can begin to do that. Hey guys, welcome to today's video. On this video, I will be sharing with you simple hack on which you can begin to make money immediately in your life. Yes, this is something that has been tried out by a lot of people, right? And I know that you also, if you do this, you will definitely begin to make more money. Now, I've heard so many times that people say making money can be difficult, but I am here to let you know that making money is not difficult if only you know what exactly you need to do. Now, you don't need to start a business, right? If you are looking at making money. Yes, people would say that, you want to start a business before I'll begin to make money, but you do not actually need to start a business if you want to begin to make money immediately. So why wait or go take loans or begin to beg aunties and uncles for them to actually give you money because you want to start a business, when there are a lot of people out there that have started a business and they are looking for somebody that would help them actually put out their product, that will help them actually get customers to buy the product that they are selling. So you will come in as the middleman, right? This is the fastest way for you to actually begin to make money right now in this economy. So what you want to do is decide exactly what problem you want to solve. I'm all about you solving a problem. This is the one thing you want to do first, right? Before you approach anybody, right, concerning any business. So you want to ask yourself, what is the problem that you want to solve? If you look around you, if you go online, right, you Google it, you go on YouTube, you search what are the problems that is available right now that people will be interested in getting solution on. Depending on who you are and what you do, that will determine the type of business or the type of solution you want to begin to offer. So let's say, for instance, there are a lot of people that have skincare issues. So what I want to do is for me to approach that woman that has a skincare business. All right, she has already started selling skincare products. Right now, what I want to do is to reach out to her and go to her shop, take pictures of all the skincare that she has on her on her table. All right, I'll take pictures of all the skincare products that she has on her shops. Now, I'll take pictures, I'll do videos, right? I will ask questions concerning how this skincare product actually works and all of that. What I want to do next is to begin to share on social media about these skincare issues and the solution that this product has to offer. So for anybody that has, the problems, and they get to see my video or they get to see my post, definitely my post will let them know that they have a solution already and they would approach me to buy the solution. That is how I can begin to make money for myself. So if I'm looking to make money right now in the next 24 hours, in the next 48 hours, this is the one thing I will do. Look for somebody that has a business already, all right? Look for a product that is hot selling in the market that solves a problem for lots of people. Now, when you are searching for this product, you want to make sure that the product that you are choosing is a product that actually solves problem for a lot of people, because you want a lot of people to buy from you, right? You want a lot of people to buy from you. So you want to make sure you are selling a product that has a lot of people needing that product. That will determine how much of money you'll be making at the end of the day, right? So now you have seen the product. The next thing you want to begin to do is to begin to create content as it relates to that product. You're going to share as many content as possible, right? You talk about the product, you talk about the issues that the people have facing, you talk about the solution of the product, you talk about everything as it relates to the product. Guys, What this will do for you is that people begin to see you as an expert. Of course, they will not know that you are not the owner of the shop, right? They will not know that you are not the owner of the shop. They will not know that you are not the owner of the business, because you are going to be putting it out there as your own. This is the fastest, cheapest way for you to begin to make money for yourself in this economy if you are looking at making money. Yes, guys. So identify a product and begin to create videos, put out pictures, content about that product on a daily basis. Now, when you begin to get orders, right, what you want to do is, of course, go back to the shop where you have gotten the product from and do your delivery from there. Right? Of course, when you are putting your margin, of course, you have had a discussion with the person that has the business that this is how much cut that you will be getting from any of the products that you sell. So it can be that you add your own money to the product, or the person gives you like a commission on every sale that you get, right? So you can do this for any business. You can do this for any product, laptop, phones, skincare. You can do this for fashion. You can do this for housing, real estate. You can do this for any business, guys. So stop waiting for money. Stop wasting time looking for money to start a business. Stop looking for uncles, aunties to give you money because you want to start a business. Stop begging 2,000 naira on a daily basis. Uncle, give me 2,000. Auntie, give me 1,000. Stop doing all of those and begin to look for products that people would need. Begin to look for products that people would need and offer that product to them, and they will give you money, right? So let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. If you have gotten value from this video, let me know in the comment section if you will be doing this, right, going forward. Now, you don't need to rent any warehouse. You are not stocking products, right? Because the product is already in the with the person that has the business. So there is nothing like stocking products. There's nothing like a warehouse where you want to, begin to stock products. You are not buying anything. You're only going to take pictures. It's only your phone, your internet. That is what is required of you to get started with this. So let me know in the comments if you will be starting this right now in this month, right? Let me know in the comments. Now, if you have not subscribed to this channel, do well to subscribe right now. Click that subscribe button, right? I'm waiting for you. Click that subscribe button, and also make sure you give this video a thumb up, and do not forget to share this video with your friends, right? If you have gotten value, let me know in the comments that you have gotten value. Say, thank you so much, Grace. I have gotten value on this video. Let me know in the comments, right? Go in the comments and say, thank you so much, Grace. I got value, right? I will see you again on another video. Do not forget to go watch the next video that is coming up right now, because you will learn so much from it. All right, guys, see you on another video. Until then, bye-bye.